Here we are. I'm with one of the persons in the world who is prominent in fish farming. He's based in Saudi Arabia. He's making a lot of money in the whole world. Now, here at Sanga Fish Farm, we have got a chance of hosting him here. We are with him. We don't believe that we are with him. So I think he can have a word to their congregations, to the world, to the Uganda. Uganda, we are lucky that we have visited a person who is prominent. He's like a professor. He has everything. He has a processing machines. He's employing more than 1 million people in his country. So he wanted us to be as he's doing it.
Thank you, Mr. Ali.
Yeah.
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum
Ali, my son.
Yeah.
And then he has a very good job here. He has a farm, but really what I saw his farm very simple, but inshallah he has a high production. He has a good fish, very healthy fish. He has good experience. He knows how to handle his fish. This is Mr. Ali. And I think you are the one in our team we can guide this is business in Uganda. Because you are in the big lake, Victoria. And then where is tilapia from where came? Starting from here, the tilapia. So you have a nice, good water. You have a good weather. You have a very cheap raw material for the feed. I think you are everything for making the fish business. You win, that is all available. Alhamdulillah. So the fish aquaculture is very simple. There is 3 figures. If you have a good water, if you have a high protein feed, if you select the good produce stock, and then after that only need the care of the people, care of the baby, you have a good production. This is 3 is available. You have a good water, you have a very cheap feed and very rich. And then after that, you select a good, as I say, produce stock. You have no any problem again. Nothing. This is a 3 item. Available, you have a good. The marketing available. Yes, you wait Tawfiq Rabbil Alameen. Allah support. You are in the safe side. You are in the right direction. I hope you are the number. Nobody can say he has experience for the fish or he has a farm in this company, in this country, except Mr. Ali.
Thank you, sir.
When I say you are this is consultant and so on and so on, I'm lucky starting the farm in Saudi Arabia, the biggest on the world. I'm not owner. I'm working as a very small guy with these people. We starting from the beginning only very limited. Now the biggers, we start at the same, the baby, now the big man. Now we have a big farm on the world, in the world, completely. Alhamdulillah, what experience I have, we sharing with you. We inshallah we starting to make bigger inshallah and the best farm.
We ask you some questions.
Okay, sir, I have a few questions to ask you. First of all, how have you found the work at the Sanga Fish Farm so far?
What I feel now, the people I talk to them at the same you, the young generation, he has a 5 years, he get experience, not in the school, practical. I think this is more than anything. When the people they say, well, he has a university, yes, the knowledge is important, but more important, the experience. Now, when I ask you a question, I find you are a professor. You know everything about your business, about your job, why you do, what is the priority for you. I'm very happy, really. This is what I'm feeling.
Okay. Another question. So far, when you look at the international market or internationally, how do you see fish farming internationally?
I tell you something. The fish everywhere now, the world, I think more than 70% of earth water.
Yes.
The agriculture now in trouble for season change, dry sometime, no rain, there is some disease. But the water, the people need protein. From where cover protein? From the fish.
Yes.
No catching fish, but aquaculture. This is the future of that is business. After 30 years, 40 years, all the people they eat seafood. More health available. Not from the know, Chinese people and Japanese, they catch everything from the sea, from the ocean. Now they're very poor. But the culture, the fish, aquaculture, that is the future. Inshallah, we are a good team. We try to make that is a business for all. Inshallah.
Inshallah. Another question. Which advice are you giving us, youth, like youth in Uganda or youth international? Which advice are you giving them about fish farming?
You talk about you say local or out, you mean? What do you mean?
The advice you are giving youth